So we've been looking for some really nice trails to go walking. I mean hiking, more of a hike than just a stroll. And we wanted something with hills. Well, I think we got it. I think we got it. I'd say let's go down that road, but we've already come up. Now we can go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Maureen.
I'm Gary, and this is the Roads of Faith on a sunny afternoon at the end of January, and it's 60-some degrees outside. We couldn't find any snow anywhere.
We looked. We did. We really did.
We even walked up the hills.
Yep. We've been hearing about this place from a couple people at church, and we thought we'd try it out. So we brought our play clothes along to change into after church and decided to do the hill path. There's several paths here, and got to pet lots of dogs and horses and all kinds of fun things. So anyway, come along with us. The trail we're going to go on, I think. Oh, they can ride horses here. They have a dog park here. And they have the lake. You can walk around the lake. And all those cars in the distance there, that's I-80. This is really nice. It's called Lagoon Valley Park. It was a $3 day pass, and as we were coming in the park, we were just getting ready to go up in line, and a guy was leaving, and he rolled his window down and passed a ticket on to us. He'd gotten here about 12:30, and it is now about 3. And he said, here, and he just handed us the rest of his day pass. So how nice was that? Yeah, this is what we've been wanting to see. So now we have to decide which path we're going to go, and I'm thinking we're going to go up the hill. So we decided to do the hill. We are just a little out of shape. We've only been walking on level land for quite a while and haven't done much for hills for a while, but we're going to try it. I guess if the cows can do it, if the cows can do it, we can do it, right? So we have an option of continuing up that way, and it looks like that's kind of the top because we've seen people turn around, or go back down, which we're not ready for yet, or this path. We're going for this path, right?
Don't think so.
You don't want to go that way?
No, it's gonna be all poop.
This is another view of Vacaville. That would be the ultimate one to go to. That looks like the highest, but it's fenced off. All right, we're gonna go this way. Other people are, so can we. Yes, you do have to kind of watch where you're going because you are sharing this path with horses and cows. The advantage is that you're sharing it with horses, and the horses are tame, and the owners are very kind and they let you pet them like I just got to do. And I got to give one a piece of carrot, and the other one had some horse candy that I was able to give to that one. I think we picked the right one. What do you think?
I think I'll follow you. Yeah, I'll try to get you out of trouble.
Keep me from tumbling down the hill.
Yeah,
So now we can see the whole lake. It's a pretty good sized lake to go walking around. It'd be nice to sit under that tree and have a picnic. Nah, cows would probably come over and want to get your food. There is just every age of people here, all different athletic levels here. People on bikes, lots of kids. Some people jogging all the way up. Show offs. How cool is that? Next time we come, we're gonna go on the swing. Gary just told me there was one at the top of the hill that I didn't see. Hey.
That's probably the mom, and it's like, okay, my goodness.
Yep, the cows pretty much stay on the grass. The people and the horses are on the trails.